All right, here I had a 2024 Chevy Tahoe with a 5.3 liter engine, and I did an oil change. And if you just want the quick info, it takes 0W20 Dexos. It takes 8 quarts. Drain plug size is a 15 millimeter. It's 18 foot-pounds, and then the oil filter is a PF63 AC Delco. All right, and then at the top here, on the driver's side, you have your oil cap, and on the passenger side, you have your dipstick over here. And then at the bottom here, you have your drain plug and your oil filter right next to each other. And then this oil filter had a bunch of other part numbers for other oil filters. So if you want to use that, you can use that. And then if you want to reset your oil life, you could press down on the gas pedal 3 times with the ignition on. Or you could go through the menus here. You're going to go to the side. You're going to scroll down. Usually it's like the second or third one, but here I had it accidentally. I had to scroll all the way down and then back up and then go down right there. So press the middle button, go to the side, and then press the middle button again. And then that's all. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to help you out.